Going for a short ride today, not too far from home, up to Big Tree Recreation Site, where the largest existing tree on the Sunshine Coast lives. Traveling 9 kilometers north of Sechelt on Highway 101 and 400 meters before Trout Lake, you just take Halfmoon-Carlson Forest Service Road, which just leaves the highway at a small rock quarry. Traveling about 2.8 kilometers up the main logging road, you'll come to a parking lot. There, you can wander into the park and enjoy the trees, the ferns, the birds, and everything else the forest has to offer.
So hi guys, today we did a ride, park and hike, I'm gonna call it, into a big tree park where the big trees live. It's really nice. And the sun came out after a rain, so it's just beautiful. One of my favorite places to be, hands down. So nice.
When you're in the park amongst the second growth forest, ferns, mosses and mushrooms, you'll see the old growth Douglas Fir trees towering above you. Big Tree Park is believed to have the largest existing tree on the Sunshine Coast. That's all for today. I think we're going to head back down and maybe see if we can find a few more small trails to ride on, and then head home. So thanks for watching. Safe travels, everybody.
your eyes. What do you hear?
I hear the water. I hear the birds.
Do you hear your own heartbeat?
No.
Do you hear the grasshopper, which is at your feet?